There, awesome parents of tiny humans. Are you tired of listening? I am bored every 10 minutes or worse, like seeing your kids play on mobile for 50th time this week. Don't worry, I've got your back. I brought you some best indoor games that are actually fun and educational. So let's dive into the world of Smartivity Toys. First up, the Smartivity mechanical heads. Yes, your kids can build a mechanical head by themselves. Why? Because who doesn't want to high-five themselves or do things with this beauty? Like teaching them cool science stuff while they're still in elementary school. It's science, but cooler. Look at that. I'm basically a robot now. Nico. Next, we have Smartivity pinball machine. Remember, well, pinball was the coolest game at the arcade. Then now, your kids can recruit themselves at home. They will learn about physics, they learn about gravity. And why can't I make a shot properly? Look what I have got here. The Smartivity Microscope. Kids can build it themselves, use it themselves, and discover tiny things that they haven't even seen before. It's super fun, and it also teaches them how the lenses work. So there you have it, the best indoor game that are actually fun and educational. So are you ready to upgrade your playtime? You can check the full range of Smartivity toys. The link are in description. So be ready when the next time we'll come and play with even more Smartivity toys. So don't forget to subscribe and like and comment whatever your best part was.